What's up, YouTube? It's Anthony from Meineke Cinnamons, and I'm checking out the two-stroke A100 two-stroke engine kit. I just opened everything up. I did purchase an upgraded pipe already, upgraded clutch disc, springs for the four-stroke one that we did, but we're gonna mess around with that. Different gear for the back wheel. We're waiting on BBR wheels for this build. We're going to use a mountain bike with front and rear disc brakes and get it all mocked up and swapped out. This was the box opening today. I've been watching a few videos, and one thing I definitely do not like is all the slop in the clutch pull cover. So I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to see how much material's in here, machine this out, and see if we can't put a roller bearing in there. But stay tuned for that, and I'll keep you guys posted on how that happens. But probably should be able to knock that out with no problem. I may just order another case for experimental purposes, but this is just way too sloppy for me, in my opinion. Thanks for watching.